The future of work is changing fast, but the skills needed to get jobs often feel out of reach for students until a path appears. At Digital Promise, we're working with schools across the country to build cybersecurity pathways. Born out of a growing demand for cybersecurity professionals, these pathways connect students with work-based learning opportunities, industry-recognized credentials, and valuable mentorships. We bring together school districts, colleges, employers, and communities to build ecosystems of support around students. We utilize our co-research and co-design model to design pathways that remove barriers, so all students have access to opportunities that move beyond the classroom and into real cybersecurity experiences. They work with leading industry mentors, gain hands-on training through internships, earn valuable credentials, and open doors to careers that are future-ready and in high demand. We're expanding access to cybersecurity careers for students from all backgrounds. And we're not stopping at one district. From sunny California to small-town Alabama, these pathways are designed to scale, guiding entire regions to grow, adapt, and replicate opportunities for students. Because when we invest in pathways that are built with students, for students, young people are not just prepared for the future of work, they create it. Start building student-centered pathways today. Visit digitalpromise.org.